Nice W there in the crypto market breadth, and some of the crypto ideas that I've been having recently are just rocking and rolling. Thought it was funny. Again, it looks like Sjord kind of likes that Matic idea. And it's the #1 performer in our top 30 crypto list. And if you look at the chart, I mean, Jesus, that just looks so beautiful. What letter of the alphabet does that look like? I mean, and it's just W after W after W. I mean, it just keeps spitting up W's. I mean, isn't that what we're supposed to be here learning and trying to do? So, Jesus, this thing just looks awesome. I mean, what a pretty chart. I think you could make the argument now that this bot is alive and well. So not only are the cryptos themselves, and I like this sushi. I've talked to you guys about that. I like that, and I've asked you to pick up some of that. And the Matic. So I've got those two on the books, but also look at all these crypto stocks. Don't really want to chase the market here. So I placed a whole bunch of buy orders on the respective double bottom levels. And you can see, I mean, look at the Hut. Holy Jesus, Hut's just taken off like a rocket here. So if anything, just got to be patient. These are the two crypto names that I'm long right now. And these are 4 crypto stocks that are all Wing out. And you can see I've got my buy orders working. And should I get any fills, I'll be more than happy to report those to you. The Ethereum trade here recently, as we pointed out there on the site, this trade right here, this was just purely a function of the market was way up top here. It collapsed, and I love 78.6s. And what I just simply wanted to demonstrate with you guys, and I still think it's going to be the case, is I suppose if we pull up a chart, what's probably going to happen here is, and I got a feeling that this is exactly what's going to happen. It just drives you nuts when you see this. I mean, just set your watch to this, folks. It's ironically enough, this investing game is so simple if you just keep it simple. Problem is, kids, they want to do the heavy leverage trading and all that shit. So they end up, getting themselves into trouble. There's 78.6. There was my buy. And really, all things left alone, I would just leave that alone and just let it work. And I still think, very comfortably that we're probably going to go up into, at the very least, just simple 50% retracements. Whoops. Boom. There we go. Probably up into that 2,800. That wouldn't surprise me. So, and as I sort of pointed out there a few minutes ago, fascinating to see, and I don't know whether we see it here or not, but wow, look at that. That, my friends, is harmonic. So 59.2. I mean, the Gartley is 61.8. So this should be 78.6, 79.1. That's awfully close to that. I mean, I don't know. I suppose you could use that low, 82. I kind of like that low. And I kind of like this as a nice little FU move. That sure looks like it's pointing up. So I would say that buy from $1,000 still looking just pristine. And I think, as I said to you before, what wouldn't surprise me is, and I don't know how big the rally is here, but I think there's going to be some sort of rally. This is where Colin and the dump chasers would probably do really well here. Just sort of keep an eye out for where the hell is it? There he is. Pump chasers. All right. So keep an eye out for a rally into this window to take some profits. But believe it or not, I actually think that we're going to do something like that. Then we're going to come down. We're going to wash that low. Then we're going to come back. And I would not be surprised if, at the end of all of this, coming out of 2023, this looks something like that. Maybe it has to actually play out well into the end of the year. Could be something along those lines. So maybe we're like something like that. That wouldn't surprise me at all.